Welcome to The Art of the Deal. It's everywhere. Negotiation isn't just for high-powered CEOs or seasoned diplomats. Whether you're haggling at a local market or securing a job offer, we negotiate constantly. Mastering this skill can significantly impact your personal and professional success. Negotiating a better rent with your landlord or persuading your toddler to eat their vegetables. Whether you're closing a deal or asking for a raise, negotiation is key. Get ready to unlock the secrets of successful negotiation. Welcome to Negotiating in the Tech World, Agile and Adaptable. The tech industry is a dynamic landscape, constantly evolving and pushing boundaries. Negotiating in this environment requires agility, adaptability, and a keen understanding of market trends. One distinctive feature of tech negotiations is the focus on intellectual property rights. Startups often negotiate licensing agreements, partnerships, and equity stakes. It's crucial to clearly define ownership, usage rights, and potential royalties to protect your innovations. Another key aspect is the rapid pace of technological advancements. What's considered cutting edge today might be obsolete tomorrow. Negotiators must be able to anticipate future trends and build in flexibility to adapt to changing market dynamics. Expert tip: in the tech world, information is power. Do your due diligence, research your counterparts, and stay informed about industry trends to gain a competitive edge. Name of a prominent tech CEO or investor. Welcome to real estate negotiations. Location, leverage, and long-term vision. Real estate negotiations are often high stakes, emotionally charged, and involve significant financial investments. Whether you're buying your dream home or securing a prime commercial property, understanding the key drivers in this industry is essential. Location is paramount in real estate. Negotiators must carefully analyze market data, assess neighborhood trends, and factor in potential appreciation rates. Leveraging this information effectively can significantly impact the final price. Timing is also crucial. Understanding the seller's motivation, the current inventory levels, and prevailing interest rates can provide valuable leverage during negotiations. Patience and strategic timing can often lead to favorable deals. Expert tip: real estate is about more than just bricks and mortar. It's about building relationships, understanding your clients' needs, and finding solutions that benefit everyone involved. Name of a well-known real estate mogul or investor. Section 4. Lights, camera, negotiation. The entertainment industry. The entertainment industry is a world of glitz, glamour, and fierce competition. Negotiations involve multiple stakeholders, intricate contracts, and balancing creative vision with commercial viability. Talent representation is crucial. Agents, managers, and lawyers secure the best deals. Understanding these dynamics is essential. Value is often subjective. A script's worth or an artist's star power can be hard to quantify. Relationships are everything. Nurture your network and build trust. Section 5. Universal negotiation truths. Preparation, patience, and perspective. While each industry has its nuances, certain fundamental principles apply to all negotiations. Preparation is key. Thoroughly research your counterpart, understand their motivations, and anticipate their potential moves. Knowledge is power at the bargaining table. Patience is another virtue. Rushing the negotiation process can lead to costly mistakes. Take your time, listen actively, and don't be afraid to walk away if the deal isn't meeting your needs. Perspective is crucial. Try to see the situation from your counterpart's point of view. Understanding their constraints and objectives can help you find creative solutions that benefit both parties. Remember, negotiation is not about winning or losing. It's about finding mutually beneficial solutions that build lasting relationships. Section 6. Master the art. Your negotiation journey starts now. Negotiation is a skill that can be learned and honed over time. By understanding the principles outlined in this essay and applying them to your specific industry, you can become a more confident and effective negotiator. Remember to be prepared, patient, and always seek to understand the other side's perspective. Embrace the art of negotiation. It's a powerful tool that can open doors, create opportunities, and help you achieve your goals. Start practicing these techniques today and witness the transformative impact on your personal and professional life.